What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called Stacks, which has pumped up 40% in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, it is currently trading just under the 30 cents target. So we're going to be looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and also looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value? Should you sell it? Covering both buyers and a seller's point of view, and also looking at its prediction, especially with 2023 just around the corner. Is this a must-have crypto in your wallet? And if so, when should you invest into it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, Stacks is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours according to the Coinbase website, and the market is up just over a percentage. Obviously, it did go up in value. Right now it's slowly starting to drop back down in value, and we can see in the last hour it has gone up 65% in a single hour, jumping up to about 66 cents, and right now dropping back down. Over the last day it has gone up a huge 74%. However, it is obviously coming back down in value. Over the week 26%, and over the month and 26% as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 180% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $18 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Stacks. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention. We've got a massive 87% buy against 13% sell, and I know what you guys are going to ask me, is it good time to invest into it right now? Personally, it isn't. It's a very risky time to get into it. Obviously, it's pumped up so much, it is expected to drop back down in value, so I would personally wait for it to drop back down. But again guys, it's entirely up to you what you guys want to do. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Stacks at 28 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value at 30 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see here the blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning gains in value are what is meant to take place. However, that is not what my predictions are. Again, the only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a positive direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep going up in value, it's going to keep pumping, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. We can see it dropping back down. If I move it to a 15-minute chart, we should see some red candlesticks. As you can see, the closer we move, the more red candlestick we'll see. As you can see, more red candlesticks here. So yeah, it is slowly starting to drop back down in value, and over the coming hours we are going to see it drop back down to below the 25 cents target is what my predictions are. Again, it is going to be quite volatile. We are going to see peaks, we are going to see dips. It's going to be up and down. It's going to be very volatile, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, seems to be more on the negative side. So do expect an overall drop in value over the coming hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking very bullish, very positive, and looking very steep as well. That can only mean one thing, guys: it is not realistic at all. The only reason we're seeing that is, again, same reason, the major increase that's taken place. So over the coming days, so I'm talking about towards the end of this week, I'm expecting it to overall drop back down in value to around the 22 to 23 cents, somewhere around there towards the end of this week, early next week. But again, In between that time, we are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, ups and downs, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now, not days, sorry, next couple of weeks, again, we still got the blue line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking a little bit steep as well. However, the orange line is looking much more realistic. It is still going in the negative direction, but it is not looking too steep at all. It is just about slanting towards the negative direction. So an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect over the coming weeks, so mid-December to late December. So let's say towards the end of the year, more or less fluctuating around the 25 cents target is where my predictions are as of right now. However, guys, this may change according to any new updates, new news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of on stacks, either in a positive or negative direction according to how they move, how the crypto market performs, so on and so on. And anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, there isn't much we can do here. The only reason for that is not only are we trading in the red zone, but we are in the lowest part of the red zone. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 95 cents in target, meaning going for about a 300 to 350% increase, which I'm not expecting from stacks anytime soon. So more or less is very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for the rest of this year and potentially most of next year as well, unless the crypto market or stacks in specific do have a major news or project going on that can have a exponential push in a positive direction. But yeah, so far so good, guys. These are my takes and my predictions on stacks. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto, saying it's a pump and dump token, it's going to drop back down, it's a scam, so on and so on. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest or lowest figure you guys predict this crypto to hit in 2022. Let me know. I know there's not long left, just over a month and a half for the end of the year, but yeah, it'll be great to see what your expectations are, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrency videos that you guys want me to cover on this channel, do price predictions that I haven't covered, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, again, before you click off the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment. It's nearly the end of the year. Who knows? I may be doing a Christmas and New Year giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. All of that will be announced in my videos on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram page as well, so make sure you follow me on Insta. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.